Ever heard this? We can't move into the new building. The network is not ready. Or that application isn't loading. It must be the network. When the network doesn't work, people can't work. And as a manager, that becomes your problem fast. Hi, I'm Gabe Esqueda, founder of Hivelink Strategies, and I've worked with IT teams across higher ed and enterprise environments. This is the first video in our Networking for Manager series designed specifically for leaders like you who may not come from a technical background but are now responsible for teams and systems that rely heavily on IT. Today, we'll talk about what every manager should know about networking without diving into the technical jargon. So let's get to it. Whether you manage a building, a department, or a business line, networking affects everything. Productivity, digital tools, remote work, even voice and video calls. And when there is an outage or delay, your team is looking to you for answers or worse, blame. Peter Drucker once said, "You can't manage what you don't understand." And while you don't need to be a network engineer, you do need to understand enough to make smart decisions, ask the right questions, and lead with confidence. Let's break it down. Think of your network as the digital highways of your business. Just like roads connect buildings, your network connects devices, apps, and people. Data flows from laptops to servers, from your building to the cloud, and from departments to your customers, all through this digital infrastructure. Here are the 5 networking terms every manager should recognize. Number 1, switches. These connect wired office devices. Think of them like power strips, but for data. Number 2, routers. These direct traffic between networks, from your office to the internet or to another building. Number 3, firewalls. Security guards that block unwanted access or threats. Number 4, access points. They provide wireless access to laptops and phones throughout the office. Number 5, IP addresses. These are the digital addresses for every device in your network, like a mailing address, but for data. Now, often you will hear of networking types based on geographical area. Here are the 2 most mentioned. LAN, local area network, inside your building or inside your campus. WAN, wide area network across multiple buildings, across campuses, or onto the public internet. Understanding these will help you avoid delays, ask better questions, and manage vendors more effectively. Here's a situation I've seen more than once. You're opening a new office, the equipment is installed, the team is ready, but nothing works. No phones, no internet, no access to cloud apps. Why? Networking was an afterthought. A short conversation with IT early in the planning process could have saved you weeks of delay and thousands in lost time. So here are the 3 things you should do as a manager, even if you're not technical. Number 1, ask early. What network changes are needed for this project? Loop in IT from the start. Number 2, know your dependencies. Understand which departments or systems rely on network connectivity to function. Number 3, request a simple map. Ask your team for a basic diagram of your network. You don't need to understand every line, just the flow of your critical services. You don't have to configure networks to lead well, but knowing the role networking plays in your organization is part of becoming a strategic and respected IT manager. In our next episode, we'll break down IP addresses, what they mean, how they work, and why they sometimes cause strange issues in your network. I'm Gabe Esqueda, and this is the Networking for Manager series. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with a fellow manager.